Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the scratches on the lens cover of your action camera.
जा पाऊंगा कि नहीं पता नहीं. ओके पीछे से मोटिवेशन मिला और मैंने निकाल ली कैसे भी करके.
Well, I'll notice the scratches and you can see them, they are quite visible, and for this purpose all you need is a bit of toothpaste and a piece of cotton. Now what you do is you just apply a bit of toothpaste on the place where the scratches are present. You just need a small amount. Now you buff it nicely with the piece of cotton and do this for about 2-3 minutes. Now once you're done with the buffing, you allow it to sit for about 2-3 minutes again and then put some water on it. You'll notice it almost instantly, the number of scratches has drastically reduced. So guys, if you're looking for a cheap fix and you want to fix the glass for free, then this is the technique that you should adopt. So thank you for watching. This is Swappy Bond saying goodbye to all of you until the next time.